Pharero Academy, a learning channel for physics and mathematics. Please subscribe our channel, like it and share it. We will discuss finding some of the cubes of roots of an equation. Let us see how we will be doing this by the formula. There's a general formula always. I'll first write the general formula. The general formula is sigma alpha cube. Means how many roots will be there? There is sum of all cube roots. So sigma alpha cube will always be equal to this. I'm writing the general formula. The sigma alpha in one bracket and other bracket, this multiply, this is what sigma, it is sigma alpha whole square, sigma alpha whole square minus 3 sigma alpha beta and plus 3 sigma alpha beta gamma. If there will be nothing present, then I will take it as a 0. For example, suppose I have a linear quadratic equation. Let us first find for quadratic equation. Suppose this is the general formula. Quadratic equation, I have a quadratic equation. Suppose I write, okay, this is x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Let it have roots alpha and beta, two roots. So I can say alpha plus beta, or I can say sigma alpha. Sigma alpha is, it's minus b over a, always minus b over a. So it will be minus 2. So it will be 2 sigma alpha. And other is alpha beta only. This will be c over a, or it is minus 3. Now here is sigma alpha. For this one I can say sigma alpha cubed. Sigma alpha cubed, I can write alpha cubed and plus beta cubed equal to, or it's actually sigma alpha cubed. So I find sigma alpha cubed as this one. I can say sigma alpha cubed will be equal to sigma alpha in one bracket. This bracket is what? Sigma alpha whole square minus 3. Since this is only alpha beta, so I cannot sigma alpha beta. I can write just 3 alpha beta. And there is no gamma, so I will ignore this thing. So for the quadratic equation, only you can say sigma alpha cube, this one. Actually, if you see alpha cube plus beta cube, alpha cube plus beta cube is always equal to, if you see, you can drive this another way. I can say another way how we can drive it. See, suppose if you wish, okay, if you expand alpha plus beta whole cube, then it's always alpha cube plus beta cube. Multiply this and thrice, so plus 3 alpha beta, and in the bracket is alpha plus beta. So if you want to find alpha cube plus beta cube, that will be alpha plus beta whole cubed minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. If you take this alpha plus beta as sigma instead, you can say the sigma alpha whole cubed minus 3. This is alpha beta, it's not sigma, and this is what you can say sigma alpha beta, sigma alpha only. And you can say it is what sigma alpha in one bracket, other is just alpha beta. So if sigma alpha is common, then you can say it's what sigma alpha whole square minus, this will be just 3 alpha beta. So we can prove this formula, but no need if you have this thing. I just proved, but I will not be proving other for the cubic other thing. Now I can put here values. So sigma alpha cubed will, or sigma alpha cube means alpha cube plus beta cube. Because sigma alpha is what? 2. Sigma alpha square is 2 square minus 3 alpha beta is minus 3. So this is 2. 2 square is 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 into 2 becomes what? 26. So I will say sigma alpha cube, or I can say alpha cube plus beta cube will be equal to 26. Means if alpha beta are its roots, then alpha cube plus beta cube will be 26. Let us see for the quadratic, this was for the quadratic equation. Now what happens for cubic equation? For cubic equation, it must have roots alpha, beta and gamma. So from general formula, the general formula for this is, I can write the general formula, sigma alpha cubed is always equal to sigma alpha cubed is all I have written already here. Sigma alpha cubed is always equal to sigma alpha in one bracket here, in bracket it is sigma alpha whole square minus 3 sigma alpha beta and plus 3 sigma alpha beta gamma. If there will be only alpha beta gamma roots, then I will say sigma alpha cube will be equal to sigma alpha same, and this will be just sigma alpha whole square same minus 3, this will be sigma alpha beta, okay, plus 3, because here are only alpha beta gamma, so there will be no sigma. I will just write 3 alpha beta gamma. I can calculate. I can give you an example. For example, if I say this is the cubic equations example, I take, suppose equation is x cubed minus 6x squared plus 12x minus 8 is equal to 0. Here you know a is 1, b is minus 6, c is 12 and d is minus 8. So you know I can say alpha plus beta, I can say sigma alpha. Sigma alpha is always equal to minus b over a, or minus 6 is 6. Then I can say sigma alpha beta, means sum of the product of two and their sum. Sigma alpha beta is always equal to c over a, so c over a will be 12. Then I will say sigma 12, it will not be sigma now, it will be just alpha beta gamma. So I can say alpha beta gamma will be equal to always minus d over a, or it will be 8. Now I can see these things. Okay, what is sigma alpha cubed? I'll put this values. Sigma alpha cubed is equal to sigma alpha. Sigma alpha is 6. Sigma alpha square is what? 6 squared minus 3 sigma alpha beta is 12 and plus 3 alpha beta gamma is 8. So this sigma alpha cubed is equal to 6. This 36 minus 36 and plus this is 24. So this sigma alpha cubed 6 into 0 plus 24. So sigma alpha cubed is equal to 24. Sigma alpha cubed is here, alpha cubed plus beta cubed plus gamma cubed is equal to 24. Now there is the quadratic equation. For quadratic equation, again the same general formula is used, because here I can use this delta also. So for quadratic equation, general formula, again I go for the general formula. Sigma alpha cubed is equal to sigma alpha whole squared minus 3 sigma alpha beta and plus 3 sigma alpha beta gamma. Since a quadratic equation will have roots alpha, beta, gamma and delta, so first I can say sigma alpha cubed will be for this equation. Sigma alpha same, this will be sigma alpha whole square same minus 3 sigma alpha beta will be same, plus this also same 3 sigma alpha beta gamma same. There will be no terms of delta, so nothing, so only this one. Now for example, if I use a quadratic equation, if suppose I have a quadratic equation like this one, I am taking any quadratic equation. Suppose if I say, okay, the quadratic equation is x power 4 minus 4x cubed plus 16x minus 16 is equal to 0. Here x square is missing, so I can write x power 4 minus 4x cubed plus 0x square plus 16x minus 16 is equal to 0. I can assign the value a is equal to 1, b minus 4, c 0, d 16 and e minus 16. I can write directly now sigma alpha will be just minus minus b, sigma alpha is minus 4 or just 4 sigma alpha. Sigma alpha beta means product of 2 at a time. It will be just this one minus this is 0 upon 1. And then sigma alpha beta gamma product, sum of product of 3 terms, minus plus minus will be minus 16 if you see, and alpha beta gamma delta, which will not be used, minus plus will be minus 16. Same. Now if you put I put here the values, this is sigma alpha cubed will be sigma alpha is how much? 4, and is what? 4 square minus 3, sigma alpha beta is 0 plus 3, sigma alpha beta gamma is minus 16. So this is 4 square is 16 minus 0 minus 48. So I can say this is sigma alpha cubed. Sigma alpha cubed is 4 into 64 minus 48. So sigma alpha cubed is 16. Sigma alpha cubed means 16 means I can say alpha cubed plus beta cubed plus gamma cubed plus delta cubed is equal to 16. So these are the ways in which we can find the sum of the cubes of the roots. Thank you very much.